Now that they all have full bellies, you can see how they're trying to drag them along, walking. Let's see, who are you? Are you? You are the black male. Here is Ringo. Oh, Ringo, don't have a heart attack. You're okay. Ringo's over there on top of Callie. And Otto is trying to wedge his way into the pile. Says, make room for me. I'm the big boy. I guess Callie and Ringo are getting tired. Otto's trying to find a comfy spot with his brother. That's Ringo saying, you bothered me. Why did you wake me up for a picture? Hey, Ringo. Hey, Ringo. You got a problem? Come here, tell your family. He's too silly. You're too silly, Ringo. Let's see your cute face. Come here. Let me turn it around for you. There we go. Where did everybody go? I'm going to climb over Callie. Okay, getting too close to my feet. I can't get a good picture. Uh-oh. I think Ringo's going to be a whiner. Oh, that sounds pitiful. Otto says, get off me, you big lug. Look at that big belly. Poor Callie, she's the pillow on the bottom. Well, guys, make your own pillows. Leave her alone. There you go. Get even with them, Callie. Oh, now she's mad. That cute face Otto has. Here's your close-up, Otto. Hey, you're squishing the other guy. Hey, you're squishing him. They're not really playing right now. They're just tumbling over each other, trying to get a place to get together and be near each other. In another week or so, they'll be starting to play. Let's go over and start a little trouble with each other. Look at Yin Yang. That's the way to do it. Pillow on pillow. There you go. Oh, we have trouble coming. You gonna bother Otto? Ringo. Or are you Ringo? I get confused. No, you are not. Ringo's over here being a good puppy. Ringo says, get off me. Here comes Otto. Okay, out of these two, which one's Ringo? Let's see. That must be you. Okay, 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 you're okay. You're okay. It's like the cup game. You got to keep your eye on him so you know which one he is all the time. He's the pillow on the bottom. See how they're starting to almost get up on their feet instead of just dragging? They're almost walking. Kind of lift and pull the belly. It's amazing how fast they develop. They each found somebody to lay with. Okay, I'll let you be. Good night, puppies.